Hi guys, let me know if you guys like this lighting. The sun is just about setting and I of course had to wait all day to film, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is going to be a shop with me or follow along with me inside of TJ Maxx. I love shopping at TJ Maxx as much as you guys do, so I wanted to show you guys what I recently just picked up from TJ Maxx. There's some really cool finds that I found and some awesome products that were too good to be true, so I definitely had to grab them. So if you guys want to see what I got from TJ Maxx, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I got was this really cool body wash. It is from the brand Jason Naturals. This is the moisturizing herb body wash. It says it nurtures and nourishes with sage, clove extracts, and vitamin E. This is actually a really huge size. This is a 30 fluid ounce bottle. It's great because you can literally just pump some onto your sponge or your poof and there you go, you're clean. So the fact that this is a moisturizing one, I was super excited, and it was only $7.99 and it's all natural, so you guys know I was definitely hooked when I saw that it was Jason's Naturals. So yeah, so super stoked about this. Okay, the next thing that I got was actually from Home Decor. I always stop and get a candle some type of way, like it just never fails. I love TJ Maxx candles. If you guys know me or watch my videos, I love TJ Maxx candles. They're amazing. I just go to TJ Maxx because they're just that good. This one here is so cute. Look how pretty the candle jar is. It's this really pretty like frosted purple jar, and it has this little faux crystal on the top. It is so cute. It opens like this. There's a double wick in here. This was $7.99 and this scent is fig leaf and sage. So you guys can tell I'm onto a theme here. Sage has definitely been the rage. It's fruity but not too fruity, but the sage kind of like pulls it back down to like earthy. I don't know. You can smell the leaves in here kind of like that's I guess where the earth comes from, and then the sage, but it smells really good. I really like it. And the next thing that I got was, this is actually the Honest dish soap. Guys, look at this. I prefer to use this because our dish detergent soap has a lot of junk in it that babies really don't need to be exposed to, so I use this. I was recently using it in the lavender, but this here I found at TJ Maxx for $2.99, and this is in the scent white grapefruit. And then the next things I got were some little beauty items. These are just tools. I got a cuticle clipper for easy trimming for your cuticles. This is by Revlon, so cute, and it has gorgeous floral print on here. And I guess this is a collection by Leah Gorin. She's a New York textile designer. Super cool. But I got a cuticle cutter. And then by Nicole Miller, New York, I got a nail clipper set. The Revlon cuticle clipper was $3.99 and my nail clipper set was $4.99. Guys, next I got another natural deodorant. This I was super excited to find at TJ Maxx, and when I saw it, I literally should have bought like 3 or 4. But this is the Smidge Lavender and Sage. There's that sage again. This is an all-natural deodorant. This is by the brand Schmitz. This was $4.99. I found this at TJ Maxx. With Smidge natural deodorant, there's no aluminol, no propylene glycol, no artificial fragrance. So there's no gunk in here. Certified vegan, cruelty-free, and it's also gluten-free. This deodorant is normally super expensive. It's like $8.99 or if not more. I got this for $4.99, which is basically like half the price if you ask me. So yeah, definitely see if you can get your hands on some Schmitz deodorant, especially if you want one that's more of a healthy alternative. Okay guys, and the last thing that I got was from Beauty. This is a pearlescence turmeric and honey reviving face mask. This I saw when I was in the beauty section, because you know you always have to go to the beauty section in TJ Maxx, and I'm obsessed with turmeric. I make an amazing turmeric tea. If anyone's interested in my recipe, I will be sure to list it down below. So basically it's an antioxidant rich deep cleansing mask that is going to be a reviving treatment for dry, dull skin. Soothing honey and anti-inflammatory turmeric extract revitalize tired skin to reveal a youthful glow. Am I glowing, y'all? Only $5.99, so I will definitely be doing this mud mask tonight. So that would have to be it for my TJ Maxx haul. It wasn't much. It was just, you know, some really cool little fun things that I got for around the house, the bathroom, for myself, and you know, just little things like that. Little things that I need that I just went in and was just like bi-curiously just browsing around, and I just got little things that I thought were see fit for my needs. And so yes guys, that would have to wrap it up for this video. Thanks so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and follow me on Pages of Beauty, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.